Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your favorites on the Redbubble application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then scroll down till you find a picture that you like and an item that you would like to purchase later on, but first you would like to put it to your favorites. All you have to do is clicking on the heart icon that you can see in the upper right corner of the screen, so just simply tap on it. And now this item has been just saved to your favorites. You can have a look at these items by clicking on the heart icon down below called favorites. So these items appear in this section so that you can find them later on and purchase them if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.